5 knots becoming west 10 to 20 knots. Chance of snow showers in the morning. Waves 8 to 12 feet, occasionally to 16 feet, subsiding to 4 to 6 feet, occasionally to 8 feet. Friday night, southwest winds to 30 knots, increasing to gales to 35 knots. Waves 5 to 8 feet, occasionally to 10 feet, building to 8 to 12 feet, occasionally to 16 feet. This is the NOAA Weather Radio KEC 60 in Milwaukee. The current time is 8:26 a.m. Central Standard Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of east central Wisconsin, south central Wisconsin, and southeast Wisconsin. For today and tonight, accumulating snow is expected today into this evening. There is a winter weather advisory and winter storm warning in effect for parts of southern Wisconsin.